What's up, guys? It's the motherfucking Budget Builds, and it's motherfucking fat ass laying on my ugly ass bed, and here's my build after everything. And I will link all the parts in the description, except for the fucking headset. That's not a part. And yes, I have to use my huge TV. Oh, that was hard to get an actual shit of it. But as you can see, we have a lot of games installing.
Unless we wanted to use that thing in the...
Unless we wanted to use that ugly fuck. It's 15 inches of gold. By gold, I mean suicide. Probably gonna go pick a new monitor up today. Hopefully. And, here's the fat ass to talk.
Man, the camera's upside down.
That's a computer.
Oh, damn it.
I built it.
No, you didn't. Not all the way.
Half of it, I guess. It can't run any games at max settings. It runs Minecraft at like a couple frames a second.
That reminds me to go install Minecraft and show everybody up on the 100 something FPS.